BYD Qin Plus Dedicated driving recorder. Remove the reading line. Unplug the original cardan hardwire. The series line and the power line are plugged into each other. Pass the recorder thread through the gap. Install the recorder. Install the reading line. Tighten the two screws in the reading line. The installation is complete.